Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Need a quick copy of your bank statement? You don't have to visit a branch. Capitec makes it easy to get your bank statement directly from their ATMs. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to get your bank statement on Capitec ATM. So let's dive in. Before heading to the ATM, make sure you have your bank card, your 4-digit PIN code to access your account, and a few rands into your account to cover any printing fees if applicable. To get your bank statement at a Capitec ATM, insert your card. Start by inserting your card to the ATM and entering your PIN. From the main menu, look for the option labeled Statements or Account Inquiries and tap on it. You'll see the options to either view or print your bank statement. If you're printing, select the number of recent transactions you'd like to include, such as at least 10 or 30 days. Confirm your selection and the ATM will process your request. If printing, your statement will be printed immediately. Some ATMs may charge a small fee, so be sure to check your account balance beforehand. If the ATM doesn't offer a printing option, don't worry, you can use the Capitec mobile app to email yourself a digital statement. Visit your nearest Capitec branch for a printed statement and contact Capitec customer service for further assistance. And that is how easy it is to get your bank statement at a Capitec ATM. It's quick, convenient, and perfect for when you need your statement on the go. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more useful banking tips.